Hello everyone, today we're going to make a simple and easy 4-stick grenade. So all you have to do is make an L shape and put the bottom one on top in the corner. And then all you have to do is put this on top of everything and then put it in the middle. And then this goes under, over, under. There you go. You made a boomerang grenade. Now all you have to do is separate it at one side and boom. Now, let's see it in action. Thanks for watching, and try this one out. This one is the smallest of the series, and if you ever need a quick reference, just leave a like to save it for later. Remember to subscribe to see more advanced stick bombs, and I will see you next time.